Hey guys, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction video. So in this video, we are going to analyze the gold chart with the help of various tools like this one, the footprint chart, and with the help of volume profile analysis. We will also discuss the COT report, OI chain analysis, and we will also discuss the price action view, and we will discuss important price level that currently gold is following so that we can utilize those level in upcoming trading sessions. So let's start with the latest COT report that we have, and as usually we are going to look into the managed money column. As you can see, this is the managed money, and they are the smart player. They know how to use their money properly. So we are going to look over to these position on managed money. So in this latest COT report and in the change in positions, you can see in the net long position this time, you can clearly see that we have some increment in the positions. So the net long position is, you can say, they have added the contracts in long position, which is 4109 this time, and they are pulling money from the short contract. You can see this is minus 8789 this time. So from the chart also you can see that the long position this time, you can see we have some increment in these positions, and the short, you can see the previously COT report, if you are following, my view in the last COT report was bearish, and also I shared my view that whenever we see a decline, we will going to add in position, and we followed that method, and we shared those levels, and we discussed those level in live session. And the idea of previous COT report comes true, you can see, you can say. So in this COT report and the data from the COT report for this week, we can say that this sentiment and this behavior, like they are adding money in the long, this indicate a you can say bullish move, and the sentiment from the data is bullish from the part, or you can say from the COT report. From the view of COT report, we can say that this is a bullish sentiment for gold for this coming week. And if we look over to the OI data, this one, on the OI data, you can see that the last price, if we look here, it is roughly around 1825 price level, sorry, and below this level, the level of 1810 and 1820 is also a important support. As you can see, we have a good numbers of call put writing over these positions, and the maximum number of call put writing, that means those level where maximum call put writing is happening, can act as our support resistance. So over to price level of 1800, we also have good number of call put writings, and this indicates that this price level is our major support zone. So in the downside, the level 1820, 1850, they are good support, and we have seen in previous Friday session that gold tried to break down these level, but quickly bounced from this level to this major support zone, and currently trading above this zone 1826 price level. And in the upside, if you look over to these position, we have seen that gold not able to break out this position in Friday trading session. So this level 1830 is also acting as a resistance in the upside move, and 1840 is also a resistance in the upside, and the level of 1850, where you can see we have a maximum number of call put writing happening at this price level. So this is the major resistance in the upside, and this is the major support 1800. For this particular expiry. So these are the levels that we have to keep in mind. And if we look over to the footprint data, as you can see in the Friday trading session, we have seen a big decline during the data hours. Like on that date, we have the home sales data on Friday, and during that data, we have seen a good fluctuation and we have seen a decline. But on the footprint, you can see on that decline, on that particular level decline, we have seen that data overall was bullish, or you can say positive 341. This is the 30-minute chart, and in the upside of this candle 30-minute, you can see that we have seen multiple buying imbalance. So after this buying imbalance, we have seen a good uh, comeback from the gold, and we have seen a retest toward 1830. And I already shared my positions in Telegram channel, and we able to catch that move easily. And from the current candle, the last candle on this footprint data, let me show you. This is the last one, this. So in the last candle, you can see we have a good buying imbalance happening over to these price level, and also the data the delta is positive. So the current sentiment on the footprint is also bullish. Or if we look over to the volume profile chart over here, you can see in the upside, this POC area, price level 1832 is the important resistance that currently gold is facing, and in the bottom the level of 1820. So if gold is able to break down 1820, then we have to look for sell. But from these current scenario and the data that we discussed, gold seems that it might test the lower level, but overall I think it going to end in green for this month. So better look for the buy opportunities, and if it is able to break out the level of 1832, then we can look for the buy entry toward the higher price levels. So this is the scenario on the volume profile, because this is the main POC that we have to keep in mind. And in the upside, we don't have any naked POC on the current current price level. So on the upside, keep eye on the level of 1832, and in the downside, keep your eyes on the price level of 1820. So this is the view, and these are the level that we have to keep in mind in the volume profile section. And in the weekly chart, you can see that this trend line is currently acting as a major support, and gold tested this trend line many times and going to, I think this candle, the weekly candles look like a bearish candle, and we can expect further down move, and we have to watch how gold price react after testing this trend line. Also, the major support is roughly at the price level of 1785. That is a major support that we have to keep in mind. And if it is gold able to bounce from this trend line, we have to watch for the level of 1832 and the level of 1840, because you can see at this level 1832, gold tested this level many times, as you can see. So we can take buy entry only after the breakout of 1832, or we have to wait for a lower price to enter in the buy positions. So we will discuss more about these levels in Telegram. So thank you and good luck.